Properly brewed coffee is one of the biggest reasons why customers visit a coffee shop. Imagine crossing the San Pedro Gooden Bridge and seeing the continuous improvement of the community. This cafe offers freshly roasted beans from Sagada, ethically sourced, thoughtfully roasted, and brewed by experienced baristas in this perfect location. Drinking coffee offers a wide range of amazing health benefits. It's not just part of our daily routine, it's also about community and experience. Who would say no in having a cup of coffee while seeing the scenic views of the mountains and enjoying the amazing view of the sunrise and sunset? I'm not just talking about regular coffee, but a seriously quality good cup of coffee. Come and visit Café Pedro, here in Gumain Dam, Floridablanca, Pampanga.